Here I have OnePlus 7T Pro, and let me show you how to open reading mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's open the list of all apps, choose here settings. From the following list of settings, choose display and select reading mode. So as you can see, here you can enable reading mode by using the switcher. Let's choose chromatic effect or mono effect. Let me use mono effect. You can also block peak notification, it could be really useful, and you can add apps for reading mode, for example Chrome with mono effect in my case. That's it. So this is the reading mode. It's really useful and it makes easier to read with this mode. If you would like to disable this mode, let's use this switcher, and that's it. You can also here remove Chrome from that list if you would like to. Alright, so thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.